Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, May 17th, 2016. Looking at the next few days, we are expecting cool and showery weather. We will see widespread showers and thunderstorms through midweek across much of the Great Basin, and then moving into this weekend, a strong storm will move into the area, bringing widespread rain and even some snow to much of the Great Basin. If we look at precipitation over the past 14 days, the map on the left shows observed precipitation, and really most of the area has seen precipitation, but when we look at how that compares to normal, which is depicted in the map on the right, really most of the Great Basin is at or below normal as far as precipitation over the past 14 days. There are some areas that have been above normal, but really for much of the area, we have been mostly below normal over the past 14 days. The water vapor satellite shows a low pressure system over the southwestern part of the Great Basin, and that will slowly shift east through the day today, bringing some showers and thunderstorms. Significant fire potential is low with the cooler and wetter weather that we have seen. If we take a closer look at the weather, winds will be quite light today. The image on the left shows wind gusts, and those will generally be below 20 miles an hour across much of the Great Basin. The image on the right shows the expected weather, and much of Utah and portions of eastern Nevada and southeastern Idaho will see showers and thunderstorms develop this afternoon. Moving into Wednesday, that low pressure system will shift to the southeast, and we are expecting another day of showers and thunderstorms. The map on the right shows the expected weather, and you can see that again much of Utah and a larger portion of Nevada and Idaho will see those showers and thunderstorms develop. And those will be mainly in the afternoon tomorrow, and they will mostly be wet. Winds will again be quite light tomorrow afternoon. You can see the image on the left shows wind gusts will generally remain below 20 miles an hour across the entire Great Basin. However, a lot of this changes as we move into Thursday. A strong low pressure system will move into the Pacific Northwest, and the image on the left shows how wind gusts are really going to pick up ahead of that storm system. You can see some really strong wind gusts across portions of western and central Nevada, and even into western Utah we will see some gusty winds on Thursday ahead of that system. Also on Thursday, we'll see much more widespread rain, especially across Idaho, where we could see some really heavy rain with a cold front associated with that system. You'll notice some of those blue colors, that is snow, so we could see some snow creeping into the higher elevations beginning on Thursday. That system will make its way ever so slowly to the southeast on Friday, and that will bring another day of widespread showers to the Great Basin with some more high elevation snow. And that continues into Saturday as that low drops south. So Saturday again we will see really widespread rain, some high elevation snow across the majority of the Great Basin, the only exception being the far southern part of the Great Basin. And that continues to be the case on Sunday as that low begins to move overhead. We will see the showers and thunderstorms continue across the area, and really the only part of the Great Basin that won't see much in the way of precipitation will be the far south, so far southern Nevada, far southern Utah, and the Arizona Strip. The current fuel conditions, as you would expect for this time of year, are below the 50th percentile. For the stations that reported yesterday, those were all below the 50th percentile. Fuel moisture is at or above normal across the portions of the Great Basin that have reported that. These two stations are in Idaho, and you can see that their samples are above normal for the time of year. And finally, if we look at the Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14 day outlook, they are calling for below normal temperatures across the southeastern part of the Great Basin with normal temperatures elsewhere. And as far as precipitation, we are looking at above normal precipitation across the northern part of the Great Basin, so much of Idaho, northern Nevada, far northwestern Utah, and below normal precipitation for the southern parts of our area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Our contact information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.